high honors.
Gusto niyo ba umuwi? Cancel niyo muna ang plans niyo. Mahaba itong speech ko. Kidding aside, to our distinguished guest, Mr. Larry G. Solartan, President of the School Parent Association, Honorable Apolonio I. Antimpula Jr., Barangay Captain of Moreno 3, Mrs. Jeannie S. Pivo, Officer in Charge of CBNHS Springfield, Dr. Leonor M. Medina, Education Program Supervisor in Filipino, Dr. Alexander M. Moron Jr., Chief Curriculum Implementation Division, Dr. Walhati O. Gadamero, Assistant School Division Superintendent, Dr. David M. Pambin, CESO 6, Career Executive Service Officer, Class 6, Schools Division Superintendent, and our guest speaker, Professor Sharon E. De Los Reyes. To our respected master teachers, faculty members, supporting parents, guardians, and most especially, my fellow graduates, a blessed morning to you all. Before I begin, I would like to thank everyone for the opportunity to stand before you today. It's truly an honor to deliver the farewell address for the graduating batch of school year 2024 to 2025. On behalf of every student, I also want to extend our sincerest thanks to those who made this event possible, and to our esteemed guests, parents, and guardians who took their time to be here and celebrate this special moment in our lives as students. Let's all please give them a well-deserved round of applause. We're gathered here today to celebrate this milestone in our lives, the product of our hard work, the sacrifices of our loved ones, and the unwavering support of the people around us. The journey wasn't always easy. We faced numerous challenges and obstacles along the way. There were late nights spent reviewing our exams, early mornings dragging ourselves out of bed, and moments where the pressure felt unbearable. There were times when we doubted ourselves, when it felt like giving up, when it seemed like the odds were against us. But you know what? Through it all, we kept going. Because life in junior high wasn't just about the lessons from textbooks. It was about the people we met along the way. The ones who reminded us that we weren't walking our paths alone. And now, as we stand on the edge of a new chapter, our paths begin to branch out once more. Fellow students, our journey is far from over. There are many more sleepless nights and early mornings. Even so, let us not have sadness in our hearts. Instead, let us be hopeful for what's to come. We are not just individuals charting our own courses. We are the generation of unity. And our shared experiences will always connect us. Together, we've grown. And together, we'll help shape the new Philippines. In a world that often tries to divide us by our differences, race, backgrounds, opinion, or status, we chose to stand together. We learned that unity is not about being the same. Instead, unity is about celebrating our differences and using them as strength. Wherever life takes us, whether to new schools, new cities, or new dreams, we carry the responsibility to live with what we have learned here. Compassion, integrity, So, as we close this chapter and move on to the next, let us not forget the people who walked by us, who walked beside us, the memories that shaped us, and the purpose that now calls us forward. To the grade 10 batch of school year 2024 to 2025, and most especially, my classmates from grade 10 Highland. We did it. May God bless us all. Thank you and good day.
Thank you, Jovix, for that beautiful and inspiring